What's popping, y'all? It's your girl Fiance, and I am back with another video. As you can see, today is another cooking video because I'm in my kitchen. I don't know if you guys like this or not, but it's easy for me at the moment. I promise you I will be getting into other videos. But yes, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Today we are making Mediterranean Orzo bake. I saw this on TikTok and I thought it looked really good. It was from this page called Eat Figs Not Pigs. I'll try and link that specific TikTok video in the bottom in the description or whatever, because I did not do that last time with like the recipe or whatever. Doesn't matter. But anyways, yes guys, so let's get started.
So first we're going to start off with our pan, adding some olive oil, and then we're going to take this Gardein chicken scallopini or whatever, I think that's how you say it, and I kind of put a lot of oil, but it'll cook down, guys. Plus I ended up adding some more of these because I bought 2 packages, and it ended up making a lot, so yeah. So here I am showing you some diced onions and some sliced grape tomatoes that we will be adding to our dish later on.
What are you eating? Tomato? You don't want to talk.
So here I am showing you guys the scallopini stuff I just prepared. It doesn't take that long to cook at all. This is also just the size that I wanted mine. You can make yours smaller or have it in cutlets, I guess, if you want to, depending on whatever you like. Next, we're going to take a deeper pot, line that up with oil again. This time I didn't use as much. Next, we're going to add the grape tomatoes and onions I was telling you guys about earlier. Trying to make sure I get every little piece. Don't know why, it wasn't that deep. And then we're just going to stir that around to make sure that it's evenly coated all around the pot. Here I'm adding a bunch of garlic. Y'all know I love garlic, so I'm putting the absolute most of that in there. We're basically just gonna stir this around until it gets kind of fragrant, I guess that's what they say. Next we're going to add organic red fire roasted peppers. I got these from Whole Foods. You can drain the juice out or you can keep it in there. I kept some of mine in there. Also, as you can see, these aren't like the diced up pieces, which is fine because you can just crush them as you're cooking, which is what I ended up doing. Next, we're taking artichoke hearts, and these are quartered. You can get them whatever size you want to. Again, chop them up however you see fit while you're cooking, but this is just what worked for me and what I had available. Next, we're going to take our main attraction, which is the Orzo. I'm sorry my camera's a little bit dirty right here. So much was going on while I was cooking, guys, so I do apologize. So this is what it looks like once the Orzo has cooked down a little bit. Next, we're going to add some Kalamata olives. Not too much of these because they're kind of salty. Then here we are. Here's me showing you the chicken pieces that we added, and here is some kale. You can again crush this up as much as you want to. You can have big pieces, small pieces, it does not matter. Make sure you add a bunch though, because kale cooks down a lot. Here we are with the vegetable broth, and we're going to add that in there so that our Orzo gets a really nice cook. Here I am showing you guys the seasonings I use: ground paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, some basil leaves, well, dried basil leaves, sea salt, and some chives for a little razzle dazzle, because you know me, I like it extra. Here we are using Old Faithful, the Daya mozzarella cheese shreds. This melted super duper fast, and I think this particular brand of like cheese works well when it has a liquid base to go with it, so that everything kind of like forms together. Now I am adding everything to my Pyrex dish because it's a bake, so it's going to go in the oven. I think you put your oven on like 350 because it really doesn't need to cook that much, just, you know, enough. So since everything is basically already cooked down, I'm just going to add some more Daya mozzarella cheese shreds on top and just leave it in the oven until it cooks down or melts. And this is the final result, guys. I added some Violife feta cheese crumbles, and this dish was amazing. You guys have to try it.
Alright y'all, so that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a little bit all over the place, but this was very dysfunctional. Anyways, yes, let me know, I guess, in the comments if you guys try this recipe as well. Like I said, I will be linking the video that I was inspired by down in the comments below. So yeah, I'll see you guys the next time.